You guys see me do this each and every day, and I try to explain in each and every one of my videos how I do it. And I just dropped the video this morning. I just dropped the video this morning. That explains in detail. It's a full-on tutorial of how I actually trade the rejection zones of supply and demand. What I look for before I get into the trade. Once I'm in the trade, where my stop should, where your mental or your hard stop should go, where you take profit at. I explain it, guys. I just dropped that video, so take the time to go back and watch that, okay? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Good morning. Today is the 4th of May. It is Wednesday morning, and it's about 10 o'clock right now. And what I want to do before I get started this morning is take a look at the economic calendar. I use the Forex calendar, and we'll go down to the 4th. Let's see. We have FOMCs at 2 o'clock today, so be mindful of that. Typically, most times I'm out of the market way before then. I trade for maybe between an hour, 2 hours in the morning, and then I'm done. So it's 10 o'clock now. Hopefully I'll be done by 11:15, somewhere around there. Let's see what else. Anything else today? Pressing at ISM out at 10 o'clock, which is right now. So okay. So we'll wait a little bit there, and tomorrow is unemployment claim, so at 8:30 in the morning, but that will be done and over before I start trading. So, but Friday, guys, we have payrolls, non-farm payrolls on Friday, so that's another. It's always the first Friday of the month, so another big economic news event. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at the market here. I always like to start off. Always like to start off by thanking you guys, thanking everyone who has currently subscribed to the channel, sub to the channel, and first-time viewers. Thank you for watching today. However you found the channel, and if you don't mind, join the team here. Hit the sub button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a like on the video. Watch the content. Hopefully, you found some valuable information in the content, and just tell you a little bit about myself, or about my trading. Price action trader, pure price action, guys. I use a simple strategy, just taking pullbacks or retracements to key areas once price rejects from and out of an area of supply and demand. So my trading is pretty simple. If you haven't watched the video prior to this one, I actually dropped 2 videos today, or I have. This one here, and the first video was one that I dropped a little earlier, and I think you'll find that video very valuable, especially if you are a beginner or you are new to supply and demand style trading. Please watch that video because it has a lot of good information in it, and I give you the full tutorial or rundown step by step of how I trade and what I look for when I trade supply and demand zones. And that's pretty much the bread and butter to my trading, is trading supply and demand. Rejections off those areas, pullbacks, retracements to areas of support and resistance. Once I see the rejection from the area of supply and demand, and boom, I'm in the market. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into, or take a look at a 60 range chart here. Guys, give me 1 second here. All right, so everyone that has been looking at the market knows that since the latter part of March going into April, we've had a landslide. Price moving to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs, and on pullbacks to key areas, especially areas of supply. The market just, like right here, low here, major pullback. Boom, dropping lower. Pull back in an area, supply, boom, dropping lower. Price pulls back, tests the high here, which was an area of supply, boom, drops lower. Pulls back. This is just an area of resistance pretty much right here. Coming out this major swing, pulls back to resistance, drops lower. We pull back, we hit a key area of supply sitting yesterday. I mentioned this at 89 or 90 area, and what does price do? It's rotating, just going sideways now. And price is pulling back to an area of support right here that it keeps bouncing down to. So bumping up to this key area of supply once, twice, 3 times, rejecting it, pulling back to this area of support here. So basically, if you look at it, and we're just kind of moving sideways in this box off the 60 range chart. So hopefully, guys, you understand what's going on there. We scale down, look at a 12 range chart, and you can kind of see it even more fine tuned in this area right here. The same area right here is off the 12, which I just showed you off the 60. So so we'll look to see what price is going to do, or trying to do. But as you can see, we're kind of just moving sideways. Moving sideways in a wedge. Those that don't know what a wedge is, I'll kind of paint the picture for you. We kind of made a high here, up here, and then price made a, we have a low right here. Price pushes up, high, low, doesn't break the high here, doesn't break the low here. So we're in a wedge, putting volume in this area right here, okay? Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so let's see what the market's going to do. I'm not sure. Sorry to hit this area here. Let's see, it breaks back into it, and it's breaking lower. So I'm not sure what the market's going to try to do today. Let's see what the market does do. Yeah, so price is breaking lower. Let's see what we're doing here. Breaking lower. Definitely moving sideways. We'll blow up this 12 range chart. It hasn't taken out this low here though, but it is chopping sideways. So we have a high sitting up here. We have this low sitting up here. Out of this, swing to the upside here. Price pulls back. Hasn't broken the high, but it hasn't broken this low. So we're just trading within this area. So yeah, so I'm going to stand down right now because I'm not 100% sure what the market is. Really trying to do. Yeah, this was a short here. The market pulled back right here at 62. Just a few moments ago, that was a short. I didn't take it though. All right, it's good. Pull up a little higher here. Come up and test this area here. I think you can pull back first up, so I need to be careful. It's 56. Talk about this area here. So definitely, let's see. Possibly could pull down to this area here, 52.5. So we'll see what happens here. 56.25. Yeah, we should come up there and tap out. Okay, there we go. First trade of the day. Come to this area right here. A little higher, maybe another point higher, a couple ticks, but it's kind of already push a little higher. I'm gonna go for it. There we go. Okay, up to this area here. So two quick little trades, two quick little scalps. All right. So I'm picked up 14 ticks right now. All right. Two little scalps. Price pulling back. Let's see. Yeah, it could pull back to this area up here, maybe so, but it could bounce right here where price is at right now. This is clearly resistance right here. So, but let's see. Yeah, you see it rejecting that area, but it can still push higher. long. Okay, quick little long to this area right here, 55 and a half, 55 in that area there. All right, I'm up 21 ticks now. I had 14 ticks. Okay. What did I say? 55, 55 and a half, right back to it. This is a pullback off a micro swing. See price pushing up to the upside here, pulls back. You saw I had that contract resting at the last trade I had, the first trade I put on right here. Price came right back to it, closed green. I went long right back up to the top, to the high right here. All right. Okay. Price is rejecting off this area of resistance sitting right here. So. Okay. Let's see what price is trying to do here. Long again. Come on, feel it. Take out. There we go. Price come up to this area right here. Quick little long off micro swing. Pulls back to this area here again. Little supporting swing right here. A supporting area support. Pulls back. Went long. Pushed up. Pulled back. Rejected it again. I went long. This area right here. Okay. Back to this area here. Okay. It's gonna be a quick little session for me today. Didn't pick up much there, just 4 ticks, but I'm up 25. And I think I've only been trading really about 10 minutes now. So quick in and outs. That's how I do it. Okay, so we're back to this area here. We're price pull back, rejected right here. So let's see. I'm not sure price is gonna. Let's see. This area right here. It could reject it again, but we have to be careful. I missed a long here. Looks like on the pullback right here, I missed a long right here. Now let's see. Let me check. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. Okay, price is pulling back to this area right here. I'm long. Come on. Could pull a little lower. Yeah, I could pull a little lower. We can come back to this area right here, but taking it back up to this area here. Probably going to scalp this thing. Yeah, let me scalp it. Okay, there we go. Okay, back to this area, like I said, right here at 61 and a quarter, pretty much. All right, so I'm just scalping, guys, because of the environment that we're in today. I'm up 32 ticks right now. All right. Okay. That was just a pullback to this area right here. Okay. Yeah, this price pushed up here, pulled back, broke higher. a pullback. I should have went long. Let's see, at 56. Somewhere right here, the price came pull back to. So now it's trying to pull back to this area here again. Yeah, see it coming down to it. So yeah, it's kind of, yeah, we got a little wedge going on even right here at the lower end. So little wedge, see it right here, little wedge right here. So be careful. I'll leave that there. Okay, we're tapping into this little area right here. So I would like to see it stay above here. Okay, break back. Okay, let's see what price does here. Not sure. Yeah, it may try to push lower because it didn't break up and make a higher high right here. But we'll see. Ah, I'm late. Okay, I'm long, but I'm late. Come on. There we go. Okay, to this area up here. Right here where I said. Okay. All right, so I'm up, I thought it was 32 ticks. Now I'm up 40 ticks, okay? Well, 40 ticks. Just scalping, guys. I mean, you guys see me do this each and every day. And I try to explain in each and every one of my videos how I do it. And I just dropped the video this morning. I just dropped the video this morning that explains in detail. It's a full-on tutorial of how I actually trade the rejection zones of supply and demand. What I look for before I get into the trade. Once I'm in the trade, where my stop should, where your mental or your hard stop should go, where you take profit at. I explain it, guys. I just dropped that video, so take the time to go back and watch that. Okay. All right. Okay, I just mentioned. I said that price pulled back here. You see it pulled back here, rejected. Didn't make a okay. Broke lower, pulled back. It came out, can test this area again. It did not make another. It didn't break and make a high. So if it didn't do that, then more likely it's going to reject and push lower. It just did, made a lower low again. So we've kind of broken out this little wedge now. I believe we kind of still are tapped into this area. Let me see something here. Let's see. Let's see something. Yeah, I'm long, guys. There we go, that quick. I knew price to come up and test this area right here at 56, okay? In and out, in and out. All right, so that now gives me, I had 40. I'm up 51 ticks right now, okay? Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call for today. That was pretty much quick and easy. Not difficult for me to trade this sideways action today, and another successful day, guys. I always say it. My motto goal is to be green in the green, to be green in the green each day. Okay, that's the goal. Be green each day. You shouldn't be in the red. You should be in the green each and every day. I'm not saying you will have a losing trade to make back up, whatever the case is, but do not be carrying over each day and be in the red. I mean, choppy, green one day, red next day. I don't believe in that, guys. I believe you should be green each and every day because it's too easy to do. It really is. It's really too easy to do. So I'm wishing everyone success. Be careful if you're trading today because we have FOMC at 2 this afternoon. And just be safe in the market if you're trading. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. I'm signing out.